The Toyota GR Corolla, a symbol of sporty performance and sleek design, recently fell victim to an act of vandalism that left it resembling a creation straight out of a Tim Burton film. Dubbed by observers as reminiscent of Edward Scissorhands gone joyriding, the incident has sparked curiosity and concern among automotive enthusiasts. Known for its sharp lines and aggressive styling, the GR Corolla was transformed into an unconventional art piece overnight. The vandals' handiwork included intricate patterns carved into the car's body panels, creating a striking yet unintended visual effect that has divided opinions within the automotive community. Pictures of the vandalized GR Corolla quickly circulated online, with reactions ranging from disbelief to admiration for the unexpected creativity displayed in the act of vandalism. Some compared the car's new appearance to abstract art, while others lamented the damage done to what was once a pristine example of Toyota's high-performance lineup. Toyota has not yet commented on the incident or the extent of the damage caused to the GR Corolla. The car, originally celebrated for its turbocharged engine, responsive handling, and sport-tuned suspension, now serves as a stark reminder of the vulnerability of vehicles to such acts of mischief and destruction. The vandalism of the GR Corolla raises broader questions about vehicle security and the potential motivations behind such acts. While some incidents of automotive vandalism stem from personal disputes or random acts of vandalism, others can be expressions of dissatisfaction or commentary on societal issues. Despite the unfortunate circumstances, the GR Corolla vandalism has also highlighted the passion and emotional connection that enthusiasts and owners have with their vehicles. The Toyota GR Corolla, with its pedigree of performance and cutting-edge design, holds a special place in the hearts of automotive enthusiasts who appreciate its blend of style and substance. As investigations into the incident continue, authorities are working to identify the perpetrators and hold them accountable for their actions. Meanwhile, discussions within the automotive community have focused on preventive measures to safeguard vehicles against future incidents of vandalism and damage. In conclusion, the vandalized Toyota GR Corolla, resembling a creation from a Tim Burton film, serves as a poignant reminder of the intersection of artistry and destruction in the automotive world. While the incident has sparked curiosity and debate, it also underscores the importance of respecting vehicles as symbols of innovation, craftsmanship, and personal expression in the modern age.